Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these Kool Aid Marshmallows. Now these are amazing, they taste amazing too, so keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. To make these Kool Aid Marshmallows, we need a large bowl, preferably a stand mixer bowl, because stand mixer will make our job a lot easier at the end. Start off with that, and to that I'm going to add a half a cup of cold water. And since these are Kool Aid marshmallows, we're going to need Kool Aid. So at this stage, we're going to put in our package of Kool Aid. I'm only going to do one flavor at a time and then do just multiple batches of this. So we'll start with cherry. Just pour that in there. And I'm going to use my whisk attachment, just give it a nice mix. Next, we're going to add a total of 3 of these packages of gelatin. Each one's 1/4 of an ounce each. We're going to open these up and pour those in there. And again, give it a gentle mix with your whisk attachment. Make sure everything's covered good. And then now we can move on to the next step while we let this sit and firm up. Okay, so while our gelatin is over there working its magic, we need a saucepan right here, a heavy bottom saucepan. And we're going to add to that 1.5 cups of sugar, dash or 2 of salt, half a cup of water, and 1 cup of light corn syrup. Now just bring this over to the heat, and we're going to heat it up until it's 240 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can stir this a little bit here. Okay, when it gets to 240 degrees, we can just turn off our heat. And we'll let it sit there for about 5 minutes just to cool down a hair. Next thing we need to do is prepare an 8x8 dish. You can do a longer dish, like a 13x9, that will work fine. I want mine to be nice and thick. So I just have some butter in here. I've made this before when I made my Mountain Dew marshmallows, and I put vegetable oil in there and I coated it with powdered sugar. The marshmallows came out, but I want to try it this way, see if they come out even easier. So just smear some butter all through there, and it's about a tablespoon worth of butter. And go up the sides, get it nice and coated. We want it nice and greased up. Now we're just going to bring a stand mixer over to our workbench so we can do the next step. So now what we're going to do is slowly pour this into this stand mixer at a real slow rate, and we're going to gradually increase the speed. And we're going to do it until it's nice and fluffy. And let's check this and see if it's ready. Not quite. It's getting there though. Alright. Check this again. Oh, much better this time. Okay. Now we have to work quickly and pour our now marshmallow fluff into our pan before it starts setting. So take this, get as much out as you can, and it's really sticky stuff, guys. Save this to lick later, and pour this into our dish. Now you can either tap this down and it'll help smooth it out a little bit, or I have seen people put some plastic wrap that was greased and press it down to make it completely even. I think it's fine just like that. You don't have to go to that extreme. I think it's pretty good. So now we're just going to let this sit for at least 4 hours, maybe overnight preferably, and then we can cut this up. So after you're done licking your spatula, clean it all up, and then do the next flavor, just like we did this one. And now for the blue raspberry, I'm putting it in a longer pan, so it's not going to be as thick as my other ones, but still tastes just as good. So I've let my marshmallows firm up overnight, and what I'm going to do right now is first just dust the top with some powdered sugar because it's still a little sticky. Next step, we can just cut them inside the pan. I'm just going to dust with my knife. And I like to cut them in 1-inch blocks. And make sure you coat them well with some powdered sugar and just set them aside. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to bite into one of each flavor. Here's the cherry. I'm going to try that. Shake off the excess powdered sugar, and don't inhale the powdered sugar like I did when I made my Mountain Dew marshmallows. Oh, it's bad. So let's give this a try. Here's the cherry. It's good. You can really taste the flavor. It's very flavorful. It's very good. And you can smell it too. Blue raspberry, good flavor. Not the cherry's the strongest. And now for the grape. Just like the cherry, has a lot of flavor in it. The blue raspberry didn't have as much flavor, but you can still taste it. Either way, they're amazing. Use your own favorite flavors of Kool-Aid to make this. And write in the description below what your favorite flavor of Kool-Aid is. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these Kool Aid marshmallows. It was a very easy process to do, and they taste amazing. There's nothing like homemade marshmallows. That freshness is just amazing. So I hope you get a chance to make it for yourself, and if you do, please share with me on any of my social media at FunFoodsYT. Also, check out the videos I have off to the side. I think you may enjoy those as well. Be sure to give this a like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I put a new video out. And until then, I'll see you next time.